they doing? Hello. Yes. Say hello. Already so noisy. Oh. Let's just get this one out from under there. Whoosh. This is Lucky. Ah. Ah, da, 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 da. Come here, you. Come here, Lucky. There we go. This little sweetie pie is unknown. Ah, Cora. Hey, Cora. This noisy little boy is Nova. Yes, you're being noisy. And then over there we have Lila, already sleeping, and Sky, again sleeping. And here we have Nala. Nala. Hey, Nala. You say hello? Hey, Nala. They like this pipe from my pig rail. I forgot to add holes to put the zip wire through, so I used this to make it more flexible, and means that I can adjust it as they get bigger. But at the moment they seem to really like it because they all gather underneath. It's kind of cool to the touch. And I often see them walking around underneath. Oh, there's Sky. Hello, Sky. Hello, Sky. Sky. Just over Mum's tail. You see Jess still has a green leg from placenta. It's gross. But she got a very green, bloody coloured legs then. Oh, Nala's fallen asleep. Hey, Nala. Looks like Nova wants to be the noisy one now. This morning it was Cora